Hello dear students, this is Neha Muhurle, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Mahatma Gandhi Arts, Science and Late NP Commerce College, Armori District, Gadchiroli, which is affiliated to Gondwana University, Gadchiroli. In the present video, I will tell you the course outcomes of BA first year semester first of the English subject. After listening and watching this video, you will be able to understand the course outcomes of the compulsory English. Course outcomes means at the end of the syllabus, you will be able to learn meaningful, observable, and measurable knowledge. So let's see the course outcomes of the syllabus. There are 4 units. The first unit, prose, second, poetry, third, grammar, and fourth, communicative English. So in the unit number first, prose, there are 3 prose. The first, Strong Roots by APJ Abdul Kalam. Second, Maintaining Democracy by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Third, Black Money and Black Economy by C. Rama Manohar Reddy. Let's see which are the course outcomes of the unit first, prose. Students enable to improve language skills, speaking skills, listening skill, reading skill, and writing skills. Students enable to develop an interest in the short stories. Students will able to develop an interest for creative writing in English. Students will develop acumen to appreciate, interpret, and critically evaluate prescribed text. Students will understand major trends and writers through study of selected prose. Students will understand and learn philosophical ideas and concepts of the great heroes, which is important for the development of our nation. The course outcomes of the poetry section, that is unit second. There are 3 poems in the unit second. Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost, The 7 Ages of Man by William Shakespeare. Let's see which are the course outcomes of poetry. Students will able to develop the art of creative expressions. Students will be able to develop critical analysis and interpretation of selected poems in order to understand theme, language, tone, and style of the poetry. Students will understand the cultural variety through poems from the different land. Students will able to develop environmental approach and will take keen interest in the study of eco-criticism. Develop philosophical and social thoughts through the comprehension of the poetry. And last, to understand, students will able to understand society and the importance of poetry for the society. The course outcomes of unit number 3rd, that is grammar. There are 3 points included in the grammar section: article, preposition, and tenses. Grammar is very important to learn the second language or the third language. So the course outcomes of the present unit number 3rd, that is grammars, are: students develop to competent user of English language. They will be able to recognize the grammatical errors. Students will able to understand and correlate and organize the sentence in a proper format. They will be able to construct and utilize present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and past perfect tense in daily communication. Students will able to develop confidence while using English as a second language. And last, unit number 4, that is communication skill. In the communication skills, there are 4 lessons. The first, congratulating and responding to communication. Second, applying for giving and refusing permission. Third, applying for jobs. And fourth, curriculum vitae, that is the CV. The course outcomes of unit number 4 are: students enabled to develop soft skills, Knowledge of communicative skills enables students to speak and write English and communicate in it as per the demand of the situation. Students will develop the skill, congratulation and respond to it. Students will understand the way and manners of asking and refusing permission. Students will able to create standard format of job application and CV according to the demand. So these are the course outcomes of BA first year, semester first of the compulsory English. Thank you.